Can you tell me what you see over here? Yes, these are potatoes. Now let's see how many potatoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 potatoes. If I remove 3 potatoes from here, then how many potatoes will remain? Let's see. I have removed 3 potatoes. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how many potatoes are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 potatoes remaining. So what I did? Yes, I did subtraction.
So today we are going to learn math subject subtraction without borrowing.
Subtraction without borrowing. In your previous class you have learned 2-digit number subtraction. Now here let's do one example. (23 minus 12). When you are doing subtraction, always start from unit. Now in unit, what number they have given? 3 and 2. Which is the bigger number? 3. And which is the smaller number? 2. So here I will put 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. From 3 we have to minus 2. So 1, 2. So how many circles are remaining? 1. So the answer is 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here then we will go to tens place. In tens place what they have given? 2 and 1. So which is the bigger number? 2 and the smaller number? 1. So we will draw 2 circles. 1, 2. So from 2 we will minus 1. How much is remaining? 1. So the answer is 23 minus 12 is 11. Now let's see 3-digit number subtraction. Here I have written one example, that is in units place 5 minus 2, in tens place 4, in hundred place 5. Now when you are doing subtraction, always remember to do it from unit. So 5 minus 2. Now let's draw circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how much we have to minus? 2. So 1, 2. So how much are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Now tens place. What they have given? 4. Have they given any number below 4? No. So there is nothing. So 4 will come. Then next 100. What they have given? 5. Is there anything? Any number they have given? No. So 5 will come. So the answer is 545 minus 2 is 543. Here I have written one more example. In units place I have written 9 and 8. In tens place I have written 4 and 3. And in hundred place I have written 7 and 4. Now when you are doing subtraction, always start from unit place. Now here in units it is 9 minus 8. So take 9 fingers. Okay. How much we have to minus? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much is remaining? 1. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Now next is 4 minus 3. Take 4 fingers. Then how much we have to minus? 3. 1, 2, 3. How much is remaining? 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Now next one is 7 minus 4. Take 7 fingers. How much we have to minus? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So 749 minus 438 is 311.
Now let's watch one video.
Hey Motu, how are you? Hey Chotu, I am fine. What about you? I am also fine. What are you doing, Motu? I am doing subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Do you know how to solve this? Yes, I know. Can you teach me? Sure, my friend. Look at these two numbers, 955 and 834. We first place the number 1 below to the other in place value table. Now look at 1's place here. We subtract 4 ones from 5 ones and write 1 in 1's place. Now we move on 10's place. We subtract 3 10's from 5 10's and we get 2 10's. We place it in 10's place. Now look at 100's place. Here we subtract 8 from 9 and we get 1 again. We place it in 100's place. So our final result is 121. Have you got it, Chotu? Yes, I got it. Thank you, Motu.